from here onwards. And for that, let's get in further reactions coming in from Mark Rowland, geoeconomic and geopolitical strategist and author with us on the broadcast. We'll also get in further updates from Susan in just a bit. But coming to you first, Mark, I want to understand from you your first reaction of this far-reaching. The implications, of course, will be discussed, but the ruling itself, your reaction to that?
Well, I think it's both predictable and less predictable. Betting markets have been anticipating this, but still, given that it goes across what Trump wants, it's a surprise in that sense. So White House will be fuming, but I still think in the big scheme of things, this will be a great positive. It will be positive for the free trade across the world, of course, but this also normalizes the relationship between the White House and Congress. So going back to how it usually is the case, that the White House suggests and then the Congress decides. And I think lots of the Republicans, they will have to pretend they're upset, but I think many Congress Republicans will be secretly happy about this too, because it makes them more powerful. And it also makes perhaps the Republican Party come across as more serious and responsible going forward. Because I think many in the public, even within the MAGA movement, have not really liked all these executive orders, including the tariff executive orders.
Right, and how the political reactions play out, especially coming in from the US president himself, remains to be seen. But Mark, if you can just lay out for our viewers what happens from here onwards, procedurally speaking.
Well, there will be lots of huffing and puffing, of course, and the Trump administration, they will hit back at this and do all sorts of things the legal way, but probably not. They will probably not get so. They will try to save face that way. I'm not sure things will change from this. This is probably going to stand, and then there will be lots of discussions about the rebates if the money has to be paid back. So that will be a big story for a long time as well. But besides that, this certainly. Diminishes Team Trump in a way. I think we can see even before the Greenland episode, that was sort of a turning point. His power has now peaked. He did have more power than presidents usually had because of his style in a way. So he's not a lame duck yet. He might be after the November election, but his peak power is behind him. And from now on, he will not be taken as seriously. People already are not as afraid of him, even within his own party, as they have been in the past. So this is just like the Greenland setback for him. This is a setback as well.